Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add alternating row colors to a Google Sheets. Alright, so we have this project management sheet, and as you can see here in this table we have alternating row colors, which makes it easier to see the data in a table or any other data set. So how you can add alternating colors to Google Sheets. You have basically two options. The first one is to select the table or data set you want to have alternating colors. Then if you click on format here in the menu bar, you're gonna see alternating colors, and if you click on that, as you can see, the alternating colors have been applied to these selected cells. You can change the styles and you can customize it in any way you want. If you want to remove the colors, you can click on remove alternating colors. And there is a second way, and the second way is to convert this data set to a table. And in a table, the default formatting is alternating colors. So how you can do that, all you have to do is to select the cells, right click on that selected cells. If you select convert to a table, as you can see, this has been now converted to a table and alternating colors have been applied by default. And you can also turn off alternating colors here. So now this is how to add alternating row colors to Google Sheets. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.